What's going on, guys? Here I have a NordicTrack treadmill, and I've had a couple requests on how to pair your phone or your tablet to these Bluetooth speakers, which actually sound really good. So today I'm going to show you guys how to do that. Simply press and hold on this audio button first. And you'll notice it starts to blink rapidly as well as provide a tone notification. After you've gone and done that, go to your phone, tablet, whatever Bluetooth device you want to pair. Go into the settings of the Bluetooth. And go ahead and search for a new device. You'll see iFit Audio. We'll tap on that. And then after you hear that tone come from these speakers, it has been paired. So let's go ahead and try these out. And so right now I'm playing Bluetooth on these speakers. So for built-in speakers, those actually sound really good, guys. If you guys found the video helpful, please leave me a thumbs up, guys. If you guys have any questions, leave them down below. Let me know if you guys found the video helpful and if you guys got your phone paired. Check out my channel for tech videos. I will see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.